Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today I come bearing a question. What is the fascination with flat roofs? I have met some of you and they always tell me, Mungai Kihara, I want a flat roof. I can't deal with the pitched roof units. Initially, I thought pitched roof units are the best because they collect you good rainwater and they save you from heavy water bills. And also, when I was young, I used to hide up there from my mom after I have eaten sugar. I totally don't understand how the kids of these days enjoy life. Pitched roofs are good units, and they are just normal units like this one. It is just a difference in preferences of design. But right now, most people, all the millennials combined with the Gen Zs, are in love with flat roofs. That's why we brought you here. Today we are in Mugutha, and this is a development of 80 units. This is the show house, and the price tag is 9.85 million Kenya shillings. And it is a surprise because this is the only development in Mugutha with flat roofs at a 10 million bob. Each home has been developed on a 40 by 80 lot. Right now we are on the front yard. The grass has just been planted. It is not up yet, but by the time you are buying a unit here, this will be all green. Next to the unit, you have a portion that has been left for your flowers, and on my left hand side, you have your parking spaces. The parking is big enough for 2 cars. It has been done very well, and it is joining with that small walkway that is taking you to the rear side of the unit where you have the laundry area and the kitchen garden. From there, you can see that the facade has been done very well. The unit is actually exciting. It's something that you can show to your friends. I like that the entrance porch is coming with a mini pagoda. You have a floor to roof windows that give you a ton of natural light. And from here, we are going to see the inside of this unit. This unit is around 150 square meters, and for that plinth area, you are getting a lot of space. As you can see right now, we are in the living room. It has been done very well. I'm loving the prime focus or the focal point of this unit, which is here, and this is where you are supposed to do your electronic. It has been done very well. The ceiling heights are high enough, it's acceptable, and the proportionalities of the widths to the ceiling is something that is giving this living room a modern design. I like it that the living room is getting these 2 big windows and they are giving you a ton of light. As you can see right now, we have switched off the lights, and the amount of light you are getting in this living room is still more than enough. You have a strip of lights here for your night light, and this space is opening to the dining area, which has been done very well. Before we get to that space, you are getting a double door here. It is an imported door, not very classic, but it is a good door, especially if you are going to purchase this unit at 9.85 million. The dining area is big enough to fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set, and you have a staircase here which is mahogany. It is supposed to take you to the roof deck where you have the pergola and a resting area. The dining area comes with this small sink, and this makes it very easy for you to wash your hands before you enjoy the food that will be served in this space. The fact that this developer has adopted an open plan method is making this unit look very airy and very beautiful. As much as you can see, the dining area is enjoying a double volume ceiling. The aeration and the combination of color is improving the feel of this space. The dining area opens to the kitchen, and at the entrance of the kitchen from the dining area, you are welcomed by this mini island. And this is where we tell you, do not buy a house kama mbuzi ama kuku. Always do your due diligence, and that's why we have decided to offer you a pre-purchase inspection which will help you determine the structural quality and the legality of the documents of each property that you would want to purchase. So make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As you can see, the kitchen comes with a hood standard. You have a space for your cooking under the hood, and on my left hand side you have a sink area which is next to the window. This door is supposed to take you to the laundry area, which we will see later, the clotheslines area, and the kitchen garden. I'm loving the orientation of this kitchen. On my far front, you have a space that has been reserved for your double door fridge, and it makes it very easy for you to access it from the kitchen, and also if you want to access the fridge from the dining space. Before I take you to the laundry area, just have a look at this. This space is just heavenly. It is giving you a very free environment for you to feel what you bought. This walkway around the unit is a plus, and it is leading you to the laundry area, which is on the rear side of the unit. This is where you wash your dirty linen, and you have an industrial sink next to the laundry area. Below this space is where you are supposed to do your washer and dryer, and these mini studs have been reserved to act as your clotheslines area. On my far front, you have your kitchen garden. I'll take you back inside. These homes are exactly 500 meters from the tarmac and 1.8 kilometers from Thika superhighway. I know some of you are asking, Mungai Kihara, I want to sell my property. How can I do it? We have a website for you, africanrealestate.com. Go up there, post your unit, and we will help you sell it. You have a hallway here that is supposed to take you to the bedroom areas. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom, which is the tiniest. Behind me, you have the primary bedroom, which has been reserved for you and your partner. You have a mini sink over here, or a mini vanity over here, to make sure that you can easily wash your hands when you are doing activities in the unit. Next to it, you have the common washroom, and behind me on this other side, you have the second kids' bedroom. Some small cues are very important, and I'm loving it that this developer provided soap dishes in all the sinks available in this unit. The common washroom has been done very well. It is just standard with a standard fixture, but big enough to fit even the biggest guests. On this other side, you have the second bedroom. It is slightly bigger than the first one that we will see later. It has been proportioned very well with a closet on my right hand side and its bathroom on my far front. On this side, you have a big window that is giving a ton of the light to the opposite side where you have the closet, so it is always very easy for you to choose your clothes, especially when the lights are off. As you can see, the closet is of a standard size. It comes with a mirror here, which is full size, and that is another cue that you should note about these units. This is the bathroom of this bedroom. It has been done very well, not the biggest. It comes with a water closet on my right hand side, a tissue holder, and a wash basin at the center. On my left, behind this door, you have your showering area. All the bathrooms in these bedrooms adopt a similar concept, except the primary bathroom, which is slightly bigger. Right now, we are in the primary bedroom. The only difference between this bedroom and the others is that you are getting everything Pro Max. First, you are getting a slightly bigger closet, which is big enough to fit you and your partner, with spaces for the hangable clothes, drawers down there, and at the center you have a space which should be shared between you two, and it comes with compartments or shelves. I'm loving the size of the window for your day lighting. You have some two side lights and a center light for your night lighting, and this is the bathroom to this bedroom. Still adopting the same concept, a WC is what I'm sat on. This is the vanity of the primary bathroom, and on my far front where you have a rain shower, that is the space reserved to act as a showering area. I had a very good conversation with the developer of these units, and he told me that he would prefer all the units to have their own bathroom because he doesn't like when the kids are sharing bathrooms with other people. Kids are noble beings and they should always be given a lot of attention. In this bedroom, they have been given their space, and it comes with a small closet, a good size mirror over here, and their small bathroom. This bathroom is the smallest, and it is giving you a minimalistic vibe for the miniatures. The bathroom is here. From the mahogany staircase, it is supposed to land you to the roof deck of this unit. And on this side, you have a miniature kitchen where you can do some parties or some meetings if you like inviting friends. And I like it that the developer added a bungalow here where you can add some shade, or if you like solar panels, this is where they should be done. On my far front, you have an extra space, and this roof deck comes with a 3,000-liter water tank as standard. The roof deck has been lit very well, so you can even have parties at night. To be honest, I like this unit, and provided that it has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot of land, it is actually a lot of value for money. Right now, a quarter piece of land in Mugutha is going for 12 million Kenya shillings. So getting such a unit under 10 million is actually a deal. What you need to do is to call us in the number attached in the first comment, and we will help you become a member of this estate. That's all for now. We will see you in the next one.